The following is a demonstration of how to enter metadata to your video evidence using the AXON View app when there is a case number attached to your CAD. Start by putting your body-worn camera into the pairing mode. Find the AXON View app on your department-issued smartphone and click on it. Once your phone pairs with your camera, you will see your videos populate on the screen. Select the video you want to tag and click on it. The ID field will always be left blank. The CAD integration program will fill this in when the body-worn camera is docked and the video uploaded. In the title field, type your case number and include a brief description such as auto boost. Do not use radio codes, backslashes, or symbols. Category. If a category is left blank, it will automatically default to a 120-day retention period. Should your incident require a longer retention period, choose from the appropriate categories listed. After you have completed the mask, click on Save. You have successfully tagged your video evidence. Be advised, after the video is uploaded, the above fields can be edited in evidence.com at a later time. Reminder, if you have failed to tag your videos before docking your camera or have tagged them incorrectly, you are required to log into evidence.com and make any necessary changes. This will ensure that your video evidence is in compliance with department policy.